What is your favourite recipe with eggs?
My favourite boiled recipe with an egg is a hard-boiled egg. The ingredients are an egg.
My favourite recipe for eggs is mushroom omelette, which is eggs and mushrooms.
My favourite recipe with eggs would be just plain eggs with a little bit of butter in a frying pan.
My favourite recipe with eggs is omelette. In an omelette you have eggs, cheese and ham.
My favourite recipe with eggs is Spanish tortilla, and the ingredients I like to use are eggs, onions and potatoes and lots of olive oil.
My favourite recipe with eggs is scrambled eggs, and the ingredients are eggs and milk.
My favourite recipe with eggs is a Turkish breakfast dish called menemen. It's absolutely delicious and it's made with eggs, onions, peppers, tomatoes, parsley I think, and sometimes chilli.
Eggs, I'm not a great cook, but if you whip them just right, add a little milk, get some really good cheese and make yourself a nice omelette.
I like baking lemon drizzle cake. It's got eggs in it, but it's got lots of sugar and lots of lemon.